Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have the template and basic constraints ready. Start entering actual rows now. Begin at the first data column, type quickly but watch validation prompts so you don't break formats. Use Tab to move right and Enter to move down. This keeps your cursor flow efficient. Once a pattern is established, fill series for dates or ID to save keystrokes. Make sure to save frequently and enable auto recover. This reduces rework if something unexpected interrupts your session. You're in the middle of a large dataset. Focus on tools that scale. Use paste special values to move cleansed data without bringing formulas along, then apply flash fill to infer patterns and complete repetitive entries. When columns contain combined details, run text to columns, then trim spaces to normalize text. Next, sort and filter to spot blanks or duplicates and correct them in batches. Make sure to reapply data validation after bulk edits. This ensures future entries follow the same rules and preserves data integrity. You're wrapping up. Perform final checks so the dataset is reliable. Use count blank, conditional formatting for duplicates, and reconcile sums against source totals to confirm completeness. Once verified, protect the sheet and save a timestamped backup copy to prevent accidental edits. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Undo recent actions immediately, restore the backup if needed, and use trace precedents or error checking to find broken formulas. Make sure to document any fixes so you can repeat or prevent the issue next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.